On this video, we're going to install the custom decal that you received with your rod kit. The first thing that we do with the decal is we have to cut it to size. And use the little snips that you received in your kit will work just fine for doing this. I'm going to try to make the decal about 3/4 of an inch wide and just a little longer than the text that's on it. You can see the size. It's about like that. You're going to use Scotch tape. So we pull the Scotch tape, pull a piece big enough to hold the ends. We put it over the decal. We lift it off. On the back side, we take another small piece of Scotch tape and we stick it on the corner of the decal and we lift the backing off. Stick that off to the side, and then we use the Scotch tape as a handle so that we can center and make sure that this decal goes on the rod blank straight. Put it right down on top of that. I put it down in the center. I'm going to use my burnishing tool, starting in the top center of the decal, and I go a little bit each way. Push the air bubbles from the decal out. Once we have that all down, I'm going to remove this. There we go. And that is the finished product.